Origin EA app. Open the EA app, go to My Collection, find Battlefield 6, click the three dots, Repair. Wait for the repair process to finish. This will re-download any corrupted or missing files. 2. Steam, if installed via Steam. Right-click Battlefield 6, Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Steam will check all files and replace corrupted ones. Step 2. Clear temporary game files. Sometimes cached files can trigger the anti-cheat. 1. Press WinR, type temp10 and press Enter. 2. Delete unnecessary temporary files, skip any that are in use. 3. Restart your PC and try launching the game again. Step 3. Disable mods overlays. EA Javelin can detect altered files. Disable any mods, trainers, or unofficial files. Turn off Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, or any other overlays temporarily. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click Battlefield 6, run as administrator. Also, ensure the EA app Origin Steam is run as admin. Step 5. Update Windows and drivers. Update Windows. WinI. Update and security. Check for updates. Update your GPU drivers, NVIDIA, AMD. Restart your PC. Step 6. Reinstall if needed. If the above steps don't work, a full reinstall usually resolves it. 1. Uninstall Battlefield 6. 2. Delete leftover files in Documents Battlefield 6 and see Program Files x86, Origin Games, or Steam Apps/Common. 3. Reinstall the game. Pro tip: make sure your antivirus isn't quarantining any Battlefield 6 files. Add the game folder as an exclusion if necessary.